If your mind feels a little busy, let this be your pause. For the next few minutes, we will let everything soften. No pressure, no need to get it perfect. Just water and color. Watch how a blank page slowly becomes morning mist. Take slow breath in and let your shoulders fall. Let's paint away the stress. I start by taping down the paper, pressing gently along the edges. It creates small space, just for this moment, a quiet boundary, a calm beginning. Now I mix the colors, metallic deep, burnt sienna, ultramarine pale, pigment touching water, soft swirls forming. There is something peaceful about watching colors blend. Let your breathing slow with each movement. I begin at the top, ultramarine pale, moving slowly from left to right. Long strokes, even pressure, a touch of burnt sienna, a hint of meadow lake. The sky warms, a little cadmium yellow, then back to blue. Layer by layer, the colors melt into each other, a soft purple drifts in. At the bottom, deeper tones settle, let gravity help, let water choose the path. A gentle tap of purple in the corner. Clouds begin to form, violet blending into warmth. Mist doesn't have sharp edges, so we let it blur. Now I mix thicker pigment, purple with burnt sienna, the paper still damp, perfect for mist. Small shapes appear in the distance, not detailed, just suggested, from the center to the right, then softly to the left. Wet on wet, edges dissolve, trees emerge, then fade slightly back. If the paint blooms, let it bloom. If it spreads, let it spread. Nature isn't rigid, and we don't have to be either. Now the reflections, I pull the color downward into the lake. Soft vertical strokes, the water mirrors the trees. Still, quiet. The trees on the left feels closer, so I deepen the tone slightly, a little more contrast, a touch of texture, just enough. Then I soften their reflections below. Everything has an echo, above and below. And here it is, a quiet morning in mist. Soft trees, still water, a reminder that calm can be created from something as simple as pigment and water. If this felt peaceful, you are always welcome back here. I share slow paintings like this. Whenever you need a gentle pause, you can subscribe and keep this little space close. The paper is patient, and you can be too. Take one more slow breath and carry this softness into the rest of your day.